Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select some of the functions and features of breakout sessions on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page and tap on the Start Meeting icon in the middle of the screen. After that, select your audio here and start your meeting by clicking on the Start icon down below. Press the three dots icon, which is the third option at the bottom of the page. Scroll down till you find the Breakout Sessions option. Here you can select the number of sessions, and select from these two options, assign automatically or let participant choose any session. After that, click on create assignment. Then if you want to select the several features and functions of the breakout sessions, click on the settings section in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can turn on many functions, such as allow attendees to return to the main meeting, allow attendees to join breakout sessions later, show countdown warning, and here you can select the seconds ranging from 10 to 120. After that, you can indicate the session duration. Here you can select from 5 to well, you have a lot of options here, so tap on the relevant one that you prefer, and after these information have been selected, you are ready to go back to the previous page and start your breakout sessions by tapping on the last icon down below. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.